All right, so this truck is not blowing air at all. Let's check it out.
Oh, look at that.
This customer states they have no AC blowing. There's the before. Let's see what's wrong. All right, so the cabin air filters are up in there. Let's take this off and see what they're looking like. Okay, not too nasty.
One screw. Oh, look at that.
Oh, gross. There's your problem. All right, so here's the cabin air filters I got. These are Wix filters. It comes with 2 of them in the box. It says it filters viruses, dust, pollen, odor-causing bacteria, odors. You see, it's got this black in here. That's activated carbon, so it should help control the smells. I got these filters because it's activated carbon, so that should take care of the smell because this thing has been sitting abandoned for a long time, so it should help freshen it up. Here's the old ones versus the new ones. You think that'll make a difference? Oh yeah, we got a little nest going on in there. Slide it up in there. Put this plastic back on. Magic. All right, let's test it out. Oh yeah. It's blowing good now. Plenty of air. Smells fresher too. Well, that worked. Links in the description if y'all want to get these same air filters for your vehicle. Check you out on the next one. Later.